is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a birthday cake mug cake. Now, if you don't know what a mug cake is, basically what it is it's kind of like a mini cake that you make in like a mug and you cook in the microwave for like a minute and it tastes uber good. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a birthday cake flavored mug cake. Now, mug cakes are amazing because, like I said, they're kind of like single serving cakes, but they're like way healthier for you than like regular cake. And the one I'm gonna show you today has a ton of protein in it. So if you stay tuned today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this birthday cake mug cake. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous and I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews. I do lots of really fun things on this channel, so be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. Plus, if you do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, ding, and that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. So, if you're ready to learn how to make a birthday cake mug cake, then let's get started. We are ready to get started with our birthday cake mug cake. So the first thing you're gonna need is a mug. Although today I'm not actually gonna use a mug, I'm just gonna use this little pretty little container. Look at it, it's quite perfect. It actually is like perfect to make a mug cake in. So just like one of those little containers. I just bought at Walmart. It's like $2 or something. You need a little container or a mug. Our first ingredient today is gonna be some protein powder. So this is some level 1 protein powder by Phorm. And this is the vanilla ice cream flavor. I always like to have like vanilla protein powder on hand just because it's so versatile and you can literally make like any sort of flavor with it, which is amazing. So the reason why I like to use level 1 on a regular basis is because they use low temperature processing, which means that basically when they create the protein, they use a low temperature way, so it actually preserves most of the protein, and it's just a better quality protein. A lot of other protein powders on the market, probably like 99% of the other protein powders actually use like high temperature processing, which actually causes like a lot of issues. So a lot of people find with like other protein powders, they get like gas, bloating, upset stomach, just kind of feel like ucky. They might just kind of feel like off when they like consume their protein powder and they might not know why, but usually it is the protein powder. So that's why I like to use level 1, just because of the low temperature processing and it just feels good on my tummy. So, like I said, today we're gonna be using 1 scoop of the level 1 vanilla ice cream flavor. So, we're gonna be putting it into our container. The next thing we're gonna be adding into our mug cake is gonna be some coconut flour. So this is like organic coconut flour. You don't have to get organic, just get like regular coconut flour from the grocery store. Now, you could probably sub for like almond flour or regular flour, but I like to use coconut flour. It's just like my preference. So in this recipe, we are gonna be using 1 tablespoon of the coconut flour. That in there. Next, I'm gonna be using some Swerve. So this is just some natural sweetener. Basically what it is it's actually made from erythritol. I don't know if I ever say that right, but basically it's like a 0-calorie sweetener, which is amazing. I really like the taste of it. To me, it kind of tastes like sugar, maybe like a little bit sweeter. So you can just get this at like your local grocery store or probably Amazon. Forgot to mention that there is gonna be some links down below. So if you guys have any questions about any of the ingredients or anything, or if you want to check out some of the ingredients, there is gonna be links down below that you guys can check those all out. We are gonna be using 1 tablespoon of Swerve into our mug cake. Now, if you guys want to use a little bit less Swerve in your mug cake, you can if you want to. Again, it's up to you. The next ingredient we're gonna be adding in is some baking powder. So we need to add some baking powder so that our mug cake is able to rise. If we don't put it in, it's not gonna rise and it's not really gonna be a cake. So today we're gonna be adding in 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder into our mix. So we got our baking powder, we just need 1/2 teaspoon into our bowl. Now the next thing we need to do is we're just gonna mix that all up, all the dry stuff up before we add all the wet, because if you just add the wet right now, then I found that when you make the mug cake, it kind of looks lopsided a little bit. Like one side will rise, but the other side won't rise. So it's almost like you have to mix up all the baking powder into all of the dry mix. Like so. Next, we're gonna be adding in some vanilla. So this is just some vanilla extract. I'm not really sure why I had to get like the biggest bottle that they had, but apparently I did. So we just need a half a tablespoon of vanilla. Pour about that much in. Pour it into the bowl. Whoop. Next, we need some almond milk. So this is just some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. If you want to use cashew milk, regular milk, whatever kind of milk that you use on a regular basis, you can definitely use that. I am going to be using some unsweetened vanilla almond milk today. So we need 1/3 of a cup in our mug cake. 1/3 of a cup. Are you ready for this? Whoop-ha. And then we need to mix that up. Now normally it looks a little chunky at the beginning, I'm not gonna lie. It looks not appealing, but trust me when I say it tastes good. And you gotta make sure you get the corners. The corners are very important. Okay, so we got it mixed. I'm also gonna add in a few sprinkles just into like the cake mixture part. You can't have birthday cake, mug cake, without the sprinkles. Now we need to put our mug cake into the microwave. So depending on how high powered your microwave is or how new it is or how old it is or whatever, I usually like to put it in for about 1 minute and 5 seconds or 1 minute and 10 seconds. I kind of watch it like basically once it hits 1 minute, I kind of watch it to make sure A, it's not gonna overflow, and B, it just kind of looks like it's done, if that makes sense. We're gonna put it in for about 1 minute and 5 seconds today. Now, as of right now, it still looks like a little bit doughy, but I kind of like it like that, I'm not gonna lie. If you want to put it in for a little bit longer, like 5-10 seconds more, you can, but I always find it dries out a little bit. I think it cooks like a little bit more once you take it out. So this is what it looks like so far. So, of course, we are gonna add some coconut whipped cream because it is delicious. Sprinkles, 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 and sprinkles, 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 and sprinkles. Now, does that not look like the best birthday cake, mug cake that you have ever seen in your entire life? So this birthday cake mug cake is only 216 calories and 26 grams of protein. I know, it's amazing. So now we gotta try it. Look. I'm gonna get into the middle and really show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. I feel like the whipped cream's falling down. This is what the cake looks like. Isn't that good? Look at that. 200 calories, 26 grams of protein. You can like eat this for lunch. It's like cake for lunch. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. It is a delicious one. Birthday cake, mug cake. It's insanely good. You just gotta try it. So if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video. All right, love you, bye.